Hiya, it's Ben. We're back in the Mirabeau kitchen and today we're making prawns with pink peppercorn and parsley on a bruschetta with a fennel and apple slaw. We're pairing that today with Mirabeau Pure. It's got an amazing acidity that matches perfect with any seafood. Today we're going to use some amazing ingredients. We've got fennel, apple and dill for a lovely crunchy and tart slaw. Pink peppercorns, which we'll crush down in a minute. Garlic, parsley, lemon, and then of course the star of the dish, king prawns, which we're going to just fry really quickly in a pan. And we're going to serve that on some sourdough bruschetta. Top and tail, and in half. I'm using a mandolin. Please be very careful with your fingers if you are. If not, a sharp knife will do, until you've got a nice thin shaving of fennel. There we go. Next, we're going to do this exactly the same with the apple. Please, again, be careful with your hands. Once your apples are sliced, we're just going to chop them down. So take the middle part, remove the core, and then nice rough slices. We're going to finish our slaw now because when we start cooking our prawns, the last thing we want to do is overcook them. We get everything ready, and that includes finishing this lovely slaw. I'm going to go in with my cider vinegar, piece of about 1/4 of a lemon, nice drizzle of olive oil, salt, nice pinch, and just get in there and mix it all through. All the dill in. Okay, so once all that's mixed in, set it aside. That slaw is rocking with flavour and only 3 ingredients. Now I'm going to toast my bread. Don't be shy with the chunks. I'm just going to drizzle with a bit of olive oil, hit some salt, nice hot pan. Okay, you'll start to get a nice char on your bread. More olive oil. Lovely. And of course, more salt. Oh, that's lovely. Once your bread's nicely charred on both sides, give it a cheeky rub of garlic on each side. To prepare the prawns then, I'm going to take the head off, the tail off, take my scissors, just slide it between the shell and the meat, and you can see the vein there, and that's what we don't want. So out it comes, and there we have a deveined prawn. Once you've prepared your prawns, we're ready to finish our dish. So I'm going to season my prawns with a nice drizzle of olive oil, a little sprinkle of salt, a bit of olive oil for the pan. Once we're waiting for those to start cooking properly, we're going to start plating up. So, come back to our slaw from earlier. It should be nicely softened, but that flavour would have really intensified. Nice handful on the plate to go in with our garlic, and give these a little flip. I'm going to go in with them as well. Butter. I'm going to take this off the heat now, and I'm going to shock it with some cold lemon juice, which will help just to stop it cooking. Just spoon your prawns on like so. What I love about this dish is you can basically make it however you want. If you want to make a bit more of a salad, add some leaves, remove the butter, remove the bread, remove all the nasty things, you absolutely can. My wife's pregnant at the moment, and I've, in solidarity, grown my own lockdown baby. So I should probably join you on the removing the bread and butter. One thing I probably won't remove is the rosé. So for now, thank you very much. Cheers, and see you next time.